Okay, now that you have your face glued onto your paper, the next thing to do is to outline with black and then color in as much as you need to with the black so that you can cut out the whole shape, and then we'll mount it onto the black paper. And I want to show you what that looks like, how that goes. Okay, first thing, scratch paper. Always scratch paper underneath my paper because I'm going to be using Sharpie. First thing is to draw some nice dark lines with the thin marker around where the edge of your hair would be on yours. Okay. The next thing to do is to do black outline all the way around the outside of whatever the shape of your hair is going to be. If you're following the lines of your watercolor, you can just trace over that. If you want to change the shape of your hair somewhere, or you want to blacken out part of the color, you can do that as well. This time I'm going to switch to the Sharpie because this one's probably going to be a little bit faster. Okay, I think I've got enough there where I can just cut this out, and then I'm going to just glue it onto the black paper. So time to cut this out. Again, what I'm doing is I'm just cutting along the black, keeping the black and cutting out the other colors. So that when I mount it to the black paper, it's just black on black, and you're not going to be able to really see it. Okay, and then I'm just going to glue this on. I can glue this right in the center, should be fine. So let's go ahead and do that. Again, I'm starting from the inside and pressing out to the edges. Inside to the edges, from the inside to the edges. Squeeze out any air pockets. There we go. Now I can leave it like that. The other thing that I did with mine, which some of yours might be good, is to take your thin black marker and do some extra highlights. This is not recommended for all of them because some of them are just fantastic the way they are. The one that I did, I thought that I could use a little bit of highlights with the black, and so that's what I'm doing now, is just accenting some of these areas that I already have in my painting. Make them stand out and pop a little bit better. Probably that's about all that I want to do. Just put a little bit of accent on there. And so, there you have it. Crazy Hair Watercolor. Enjoy.